In today's video, I'm going to teach you the best method to share a Facebook Marketplace link. This is a straightforward process, and once you get the hang of it, you'll be sharing your listings with ease. So let's dive right in and walk through each step together. To start, you'll want to head over to Facebook, open your preferred web browser, and navigate to the Facebook homepage. If you haven't logged in yet, enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're in, look for the marketplace icon. It's typically represented by a small storefront symbol in the main toolbar at the top of your screen. Click on it, and this will take you directly to the marketplace's main page. Next, on the marketplace page, focus on the left-hand menu and locate the Selling option. Click on Selling, and this will lead you to a page displaying all your active listings. Scroll through the list and find the specific item you want to share. Now, to share the listing, hover over or click on the listing of your choice. You should see a share option somewhere near the listing details. Clicking share should bring up a few options. Here you're going to select the copy link option. This effectively copies the link of your listing to your clipboard, making it ready to be pasted anywhere you wish. With the link copied, you now have a few choices on how to share it. You can send it directly through Facebook Messenger, paste it into an email, or include it in text messages. This versatility makes your listing easy to share across multiple platforms or directly to individuals. Remember, when pasting, use the right-click function on your mouse and select Paste, or if you prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can press Ctrl+V on a PC or Command+V on a Mac. Additionally, you can also share the link in a Facebook post, navigate back to the Facebook homepage, and find the What's on Your Mind box to start a new post. Here you can paste your marketplace link and add any text you'd like to accompany the listing. It's a great way to reach out directly to your Facebook friends and potentially get more views on your item. When ready, click Post to share it with your audience. And that's it. Simple, right? This method offers a seamless way to maximize the exposure of your marketplace listings by quickly sharing them with friends, family, or potential buyers across various platforms. Give it a try, and soon you'll be a pro at sharing your marketplace links. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned.